Alright, so I'm actually playing this game again because the video earlier got all weird and laggy, as I was saying throughout the thing, so I'm gonna start a new game. Woo! Okay, so let's see. We're gonna watch a lot of the same scenes. I still really like the animations. Let's see if it's laggy. Ah, it's still laggy. BAL. You know, how did she have enough time to put explosives on her ship? Like, how did she know that she was a bounty hunter? Maybe she's been stalking her, I guess. I don't know. I don't know the whole story. Actually, yes. A mechanical chatter toots. Totally. You could just stop right there. Snarl. Okay, hold on. What was the controls again? This. What was that? Oh. And then this was hold on. Okay. Let's see. Kill those guys. I've done this before. Okay. Okay, I think the keyboard has a lot of lag as well. Ah. Okay. The delay in this game is killing me. Okay. Okay. Jumping. Yep. I know this part already. And still laggy in the same parts. Let me see. Now jump down. Oops. Okay. I'm always jumping off the wall because I keep forgetting it's just arrow to the wall, not jump like I would think it is. Oops, I almost killed myself. Okay, hold on. I want the money. Okay, there we go. I gotta... You know, I never noticed the difference between the green ones and the yellow ones. Green ones are 100. These are 10. Oops, I'm always messing up. He's like super dead and he's still talking. Like, I don't get it. Oops, I almost died. Oh, and I almost forgot about these guys in the corner. Hop up. Hop up. Wait a minute. I forgot how to do this part. Oh, this wall that it wants me to be by. Clearly, I'm really good at video games. You know? Okay. You, Blondie. Somehow you're there. Yeah, I barely know the controls, so I can't learn style, okay? What is with this? I don't know. Now that I think about it, the voice acting is a little wonky. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. So C does the actions. Oh, it's freezing again. Okay, there we go. Z. Okay. And then where am I? D. Okay, we're going up. Okay. Is there a guy up here? I can't remember. What? I wish they would disappear. Oh, left control, left shift. Wait, what? Oh, okay. What? Okay. I'm dead. What the heck? I was trying not to be dead. Okay, actually, I have no clue how long that attack lasts. Okay. Okay. It's like, it's so annoying. If I'm not facing them. It's like I keep pressing the button and nothing happens. It's making me upset. Okay, dude. Just die already, thanks. Okay. There's my checkpoint I need. Okay. Oops. Wait a minute. Ah. Okay. The response on the controls is what's killing me here. Because I pressed the buttons 1,700 times and she still flips out. It's just kind of like I'm pressing the attack button and you're going backwards, and that's making me upset. Wait, D? Is that what it said? Okay. Aha. Yeah. Uh-oh. I need the money. Oh, there's money up there. Actually, I don't care. Okay. Left shift is running. Oh, no, you're not getting me. What? You can still see me? I'm pressing the button and it's not doing anything. I'm pressing it thousands of times. Dang, that's so annoying. Like, see, every time I press Z, it turns me around for some reason. Is there like some enemies or something over here? Like, see, that's me pressing Z after I stop. See? Oh, wait a minute, there's a guy here. Okay. There we go. He's dead. Isn't that good? Busted walls. Like, see, I'm always turning around. Why? Okay, well, I don't know. I need to get to a save point. So I gotta make sure that all this stuttering this game is doing is not affecting everything. Oh, I almost died again. Actually, not very uncommon. I'm almost always dying in this game. Aw, man, again. Okay, he's just right there. Good. Can I get good or something? Okay. Okay, just give me this money. Okay. Okay. There it goes. It's locking up again. Okay. Jumping on the wall. Okay. Come over here. Okay, I guess not. What? Okay, there you go. So we get all the little coins. I think this is so far the most entertaining part about it, is getting the coins. Aw, man. And then I do just the opposite. Okay. Is he gonna shoot me? There we go. Alright, so I think for now I'm done. I have to see how this turns out, and if you're seeing this video, it is uploaded. But thank you for watching today. This is blade-kitten. I didn't say that at the beginning, but yeah, this is blade-kitten. And I really like this game aside from the lagginess. I guess my computer can't handle it or something. But I really like this game. And I hope you do too. Okay, goodbye. Subscribe.